In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your TikTok Shop showcase for affiliate marketing. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to bring up your TikTok app. Once you have it open, navigate over to your profile. On your profile page, take a look in the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a handy three-line menu icon there. Give it a tap. This will open up a menu where you should select the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Now, if you happen to already be a TikTok seller or a TikTok affiliate, there's another route you might prefer, which is heading directly to the TikTok Shop Creator Center. From this point, what you need to do is scroll down until you spot the option labeled Showcase. Tap on it, and you'll find yourself in the catalog section. This area is your gateway to a wide range of products that are ready and waiting for your affiliate marketing efforts. To add a product to your showcase, start by browsing through the catalog. Once you stumble upon a product that sparks your interest or aligns well with your audience, you'll want to click on the Product Marketplace button situated right next to that product. And here's the magic touch. Doing this will automatically add the product to your TikTok Shop showcase. You can now share this product with your followers. Once you've added or shared the product, you're all set to start promoting it. You can creatively incorporate it into your videos or mention it in your TikTok bio. Don't forget to share your unique affiliate link with your audience. What's great here is that whenever someone clicks through and makes a purchase via your link, you'll earn a commission, which can add up significantly with the right promotion strategies. And there you have it. You've successfully added products to your TikTok Shop showcase for affiliate marketing. If this step-by-step guide was helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful TikTok tips. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.